Do you belong to some sort of stock timing service or stock picking service? Or maybe you're thinking of joining one. Are they going to tweet out to you or email out to you, buy this, sell that? Are they going to send that out to half a dozen people? Are they going to send it out to 10,000 people, 30,000 people? Are they going to get on TV and say just the opposite? Are they going to share with you their process? Are they going to tell you that they've got a team of researchers? I love that one. We got a special team of researchers, unemployed stock pickers from Wall Street. And they're going to tweet this or that out. If you were to ask them if you were subscribing today, or if you're thinking of it, do you think they would show you how they're positioned on the S&P 500? Whether or not out of 500 stocks, would they tell you if they're long or they're short, or if it's ripping or dipping? Hmm. Would they tell you when they entered the stock? The entry time, the entry date, the entry price? Would they give you any information about the short term, long term trend? And do all of this without using moving averages, which, by the way, don't work. Do you think they'd do any of that? I'm Bagger Don at Stock Market Caddy. Today is June 3rd at 1 p.m., Sunday afternoon. Now, tonight we're going to make a much more detailed video for our private members because we do much more than just share our signals for individual stocks. We give a complete overview, and in a few moments, I'll show you in another video what that complete overview looks like. But let me show you on the S&P 500. First, our proprietary system called the Swing Machine, which is this portion right here. This is our proprietary system. It's an integrated system for signaling to us how we want to be positioned and when we want to be positioned on the S&P 500. Now we can do this for futures, we can do this for ETFs, we can do this for anything. It does not, by the way, does not use moving averages. This is not taking MACD and stochastics and half baking it and clouding it into something. None of that crap works. But this proprietary system is running on the TradeStation platform, and in particular, their feature product called Radar. Now, we are big fans of TradeStation. We don't think there's anyone any better. We don't have any relationship with TradeStation, but we've been a very happy customer for more than 20 years. This system, the Swing Machine, has been back tested and forward tested, and something that we have used since the mid 2000s. Now let me show you, let me give you an overview because I'm limited by YouTube time. So get your pencil out. First, the symbol from TradeStation, the interval. In this case, we're using daily. We could use any. TradeStation is providing us the last price, then net change, then net percent. Now, everything else is our proprietary system. In particular, we love this one here. This is an intraday goal for stocks trading 100 shares. If you were trading 100 shares of any one of these stocks, this algorithm will tell you realistically and dynamically, it changes from day to day, what you could reasonably expect to make trading 100 shares intraday, meaning you are a cash in the morning and you are a cash at night. Now comes the Swing Machine itself. We have a strategy called the Zinger. It tells us whether we want to be long, whether we want to be short. It'll tell us if we are ripping, which is rallying against a short position. It'll tell us if we're dipping against a long position. It'll tell us, let me show you where to enter. We're getting long re-entries, but in short re-entries, but it'll also tell us, I'll show you, we'll scroll down. Well, many of these are re-entries right now. Well, let's just scroll them. And let me bring this. Here are some short re-entries and short entries. These are brand new. Re-entries are just that, re-entries. Or it could be, do we have any long entries? Yes, we have some long entries from the other day and long re-entries. So it'll tell us and highlight to us, so we don't have to look too far, when to enter long or short, when we might want to re-enter, because a long, if we enter, becomes a long, and then the price may dip. And if the price dips, it could become a long re-entry, or it could become a short entry. And if a position is short, it could rip against that position, rip. It could then re-enter short or become a long entry, new. We will tell you how many days long we've been, our yardage, or how many days short we've been. As you see here, the re-entries, technically it's been short for 30 days. The short entry, 1 first day. So we can sort them accordingly. Then we also tell you the trade purse, how much, if you were trading 100 shares of any one of these stocks, how much you would be up or down. On the first day, it zeroes itself out. We tell you the entry price. We tell you the entry time. We tell you the entry date. We give you the combined trend. Is the trend strongly short, or is it strongly long? Is it moderating, or is it moving into chop? This is the combined trend. This interprets the near trend. See, because there are speculators. There are these speculators. This is the near trend. And we can tell you if we're pressuring down or trending up, trending down, or trending, firmly trending up. And then we can also tell you, what about the distant trend? The investor class, what are they thinking? And then we can also tell you the altimeter. Is there selling coming into your stock, or is there buying? Then dynamically, we do this every night. We can tell you the center cut. Is it in the middle of the range? First cut high, second cut high, first cut low, second cut low. These are predictive values. We can tell you if you are out of bounds. Now, I only have 10 minutes on YouTube, and I promise to show you 500 stocks. So here goes. I'm going to sort this, and down we're going to go. This is our trade purse, and I'm going to show you 500 stocks in less than a minute. How much we're up or down, we'll count them. We're long and short. Trade purse is all green. Now the yellow, we've just entered. So out of 500 stocks, 402 stocks are entries, flat or green. And then the remaining 100, we are marginally underwater. Can't play this game without a drawdown. Our worst today is $740 down on Raytheon. It was a short and it's rallied against the price. I'm Brad Gadon at StockMarketCaddy.com. If you'd like to call and talk to me, my number is 813-758-8263. If you'd like to follow on Twitter, feel free, but we don't share much on Twitter. If you would like to join, it's $99 a month. None of this join for life, get in, no Memorial Day specials, no trials, $99 a month. We cannot promise you that you will make money, but we can promise you that we will share with you the signals that we're seeing, that you will have fun, that you will learn a ton for just $99 a month. Very rarely does anyone ever leave. That's why we don't bother with trying to sign people up, as many people do. Join for a summer rate for, thousands of dollars, or join for a lifetime for $8,000. Check us out. Our base membership is just $99 a month.